we just spoke before, and you said 17 years at Amazon. How do you think consumption has changed, especially in the beauty world?
It's changed so much. First of all, again, hello to everybody, and all the great creators out there and the entire audience. Hello. Things have changed quite a bit.
They want to look good. Earlier it was only when you are getting married that you will look good. Now everybody wants to look good all the time because it gives you confidence. I feel when you feel you are looking good, it gives you confidence to do anything and everything. So it is evolved a lot. Girls, young girls, women, my age, everybody is using things to enhance and to hide whatever problems they have. See, what I always say, makeup is what? Makeup means you make up for your problems. Say, if I have dark circles, I make up. If I don't have dark circles, I don't have circles. So makeup means you make up for the deficiency you have. And I'm very, very happy that girls today, women today are really wanting to look good.
Thank you. So Shanti, same question to you. How do you think Indian beauty is there, it's evolving and it's possible, and how do you think that the artist?
I think Indian beauty for me is about an exhibition of every identity. It's not one gender, one voice, one orientation, one person. It's that creator, the child, queer creator who has picked up his and is doing makeup tutorials from, as Zai said, from a Chinese city to somebody like me who started off not knowing that I wanted to do this, but now I'm on a global scale where my country's name is said before I enter a room, right? They're referred by a country, and that's such a proud moment. But the diaspora includes everybody and doesn't exclude anyone. So I think beauty is not about limitation, it's about celebration. And I think that shift from limitation, we being limited and other, and said that you can't
do what you want to do. Only one life. Enjoy it. Don't worry about what other people say. Because when you are in trouble, nobody comes to your help. So help yourself, look nice, and do whatever you do.
It's amazing. And Sushant, what do you think?
I cannot.
Very important thing happened now. When क्या होता था, if you are dark skin, then you go out and put white powder. Now you used to become silver. You know, so it just happened to be that one boy who was dark, and he said, नहीं मैं तो become करा तो ये silver लगा था ये काला लगा था. Because of all these things, we have understood I am this shade. I don't have to wear white powder all the time for every skin shade. So people have understood a lot of things. They did not know.
Guys, the question comes to you. What's the one thing you say to consumers which is broken, like maybe you were afraid or your team did not think that this would work, but you were withdraw or you didn't have to get it really well?
I think we have those aspects around skin tone and skin shade. And so too, better to see better. Now, Amazon, we actually purposely, not by accident, but very purposely go and any content that we put out. I think a large part of this, by the way, again, I give so much credit to creators and content that which is out because the products, came, but people were still not adopting them. But then when creators came with an actual language, with something that's relatable, start talking about these things, then something that is robust. And now I think the content that's put out that, for example, it's sustainability that that is something for North, South, East, West. I think that is one of the biggest changes that we see. and it's pretty welcome, right? And that, at the end of the day, we are very customer backwards. So if you put content out there that customers can relate to, then your products will themselves fly off the shelf, right? So I think that relatability is thanks to a lot of folks like you folks in this room, from stage, a lot of you folks.
Also the range of the you can buy a much cheaper one, you can buy a more expensive one, and the quality is pretty high and it's the same. So there's a range which never used to be. जो बहुत सस्ता होता था उसकी स्किन खराब हो now even a cheap rate वाला beauty product is good, well.
Which we back again to you, Zahid, like how when you are on creating all these brands, is there a specific method to when you put brands? Like you said, for price points for everybody, for skincare points for everybody. So what are those kind of benchmarks you have while you're selecting products that you're going to be selling on the marketplace?
Sure. So Amazon, relies on these three core pillars, right, from those startup companies still to today: selection, price, and convenience. And there's this famous saying, nobody ever complains that the price is too low, right? So, the idea is that we always put products that across the range is so right. I think a lot of it is because new products are listening to the hyper story, phenomenal, right? So there's all kind of products. The Amazon USP is having the personalization technology that understands that what do I want and what can I afford. This is my past history. This is what I've been browsing on Amazon versus somebody else that might want something more premium. We have our selection and our personalization technology goes and tells you what you might need, want, and services that.
Powered, I feel all women around you, and now you're raising the third generation. You have a beautiful granddaughter. And was there a moment you felt you had to redefine what beauty meant to you personally?
Yes. When I was a teenager, I had a very low self-esteem, which a lot of women have, It's like, we say thank you very much to a man who likes us. Thank you. ऐसा मतलब है कि some boy
What was that moment when you felt you had to redefine beauty for yourself personally?
Yeah. So when slowly, because of my work, I was appreciated. That was the moment that I felt I was beautiful. So that affects, when you are successful, you become beautiful. When somebody praises your work, you become beautiful. So that is when I realized that is what it's not also about your work. And then you become confident enough to try new things. Like I used to have this thinking, I want to have a lipstick like J.Lo. Like J.Lo is, today I tried a new thing, it's called overlipping. So I used to have overlipping. Yesterday I went to the house and I said, can you tell me how to do overlipping? So she taught me. So at my age also I'm trying to learn new things. Like for a long time, I wanted to have a gloss which will not be chippy. All the glosses were chippable. And so I told the Saba, बड़ा beauty का वो कर रही है, लग जाए मेरे लिए बना दे. She made it for me. So even at this age, one is evolving every day.
You enjoy it. And you enjoy it. I think the great thing about it is that you experiment and you push your boundaries, and I think it's something that we all kind of realize. And this art inspiration is that you have the definition of you should do these things yourself out.
हाँ, but over नहीं कर सकते. Limit your limit, not his limit or limit. आपकी जो limit है, आपको पे जो अच्छा लगता है उससे.
You were sitting in this huge arena with so many creators, and I'm sure all of them are being inspired. Zahid, my question comes.
हमारी स्किन का हम इंडियंस की स्किन का कलर बहुत सुंदर है, चाहे वो गेहुआ हो, चाहे थोड़ा सा डार्क हो, चाहे सफ़ेद हो। जहाँ जहाँ आपका कोई प्रॉब्लम है स्किन में, कोई पैच है, कोई बर्थ मार्क है, या आइज़ के नीचे बहुत ज़्यादा खड्डे हैं, वहाँ आप थोड़ा सा यूज़ करो, बिना बात के मेकअप मत यूज़ करो। One of the beauty? What is a hack?
Like a DIY hack.
What is a DIY?
Anything homemade remedies.
Okay, so I have been putting my homemade kajal, the one I put just now. I make it myself. मैंने इंस्टा में उसका बताया भी था कैसे बनाते हैं. And I think that's a very important because your eyes are so important. And so I use that homemade kajal because other things give me allergy sometimes.
What's your go-to look when you're not on camera?
Go-to look is hair tied up, no makeup, shorts and t-shirt, and that's it.
One thing that have kept you still this gorgeous in this age, like the secret which you.
I think I have used very less chemicals on my face. In fact, when I bathe, I don't use soap on my body every day because unless I go to shoot or I go somewhere where I have sweat a lot, but unnecessary chemicals I have not used. I have used because of my profession, like I color my hair. I have to color my hair every now and then. That's why my hair has thinned. So any chemical you use on your skin is going to have a little bad effect. So you should use it sparingly. You should use it if you need it, because sometimes I feel when you feel that you are looking good, you get confidence about yourself. So yeah, use as less as possible.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
नीना मैम एक सोलो पिक्चर
पीछे आ जाओ, पीछे आ जाओ।
ये मोबाइल के सामने नीना मैम सामने
Thank you.
अभिषेक going to the panel, आप वहाँ पे ले लीजिएगा।
चलो